Welcome. In front of me is the DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. Now to get started, you will need to open up the standalone contacts application, which is located in the Google folder right over here. From here, we're gonna tap on this little bar on the side, navigate into the settings, and at the bottom you'll find import option. Once you tap on it, it gives you an option where you can import contacts from. So I'll be selecting SIM card, and from here it will display all the contacts that are located on my SIM card. Now you also can see save to. If you tap on this, it will give you a couple options. So for me, it gives me a phone as an option and SDN1, which I assume is an SD card, though I could be wrong. Chances are you also probably see your Google account in here. So these are all the options where you can import your contacts to. Now when importing them, I would recommend either to select the device, phone, or your Google account if you're logged into it. Now, if you don't want all the contacts, you can deselect some of them. If some of the contacts are already deselected, don't worry, those contacts already exist on your device and the phone is simply stopping you from importing it twice. Now from here, once everything is selected and set up the way you want to, you can select import. It will give you the amount of contacts that have been imported. And when you go back, you should be able to see them right over here. Now, if you don't see any contacts, you might need to switch where the phone is pulling the contacts from, and you do so by simply tapping right here on this phone icon, and it will show you a couple additional options like the SDN, whatever that was, and also a Google account if you are logged into it, and you can swap between all of them. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.